Hey guys, it's Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. We've got another awesome brokerage listing to show you guys today. I'm on board this 2021 Sea Hunt 275 Ultra SE. I just gotta say, this thing is beautiful. Just received a full detail inside and out. Gel coat's in great condition. Upholstery is beautiful. The boat has not been used a whole lot. The twin 200 Yamahas only have about 20 hours on them. It's been dry stack kept here in southeastern North Carolina since new. One owner vessel, very well maintained, even better equipped. Just a quick walkthrough around the boat, and then I'll start highlighting some of the better features on here. Show you the exterior real quick. Beautiful colors. Very bright white gel coat. Bolsters all the way around. Now this Ultra has this large bow sun pad area. But my favorite part is that you can take this away, store it, so you can walk all the way up to access the windlass up there. Obviously you've got fish boxes underneath, more storage below. The backrests come out. All the upholstery is stored inside the cabin, inside the console, excuse me. So that's why it's in such great condition. Open this up. You can see it has a head. It's a pump out head. Dual battery switches. Very clean boat. I've got all the electronics covers in there. Got sea deck, life vests, extra boarding ladder, access to the back of the helm, GPS units. Sea Hunt did a really good job with this boat. Fit and finish is very nice. It's got the new Yamaha binnacles. Very nice ergonomic grip there. Adjusting tilt helm. Beautiful stainless steering wheel. Twin touchscreen 12-inch Garmin MFDs. And then you've got majority of your switches down below, easy access, right next to the Yamaha display. Trim tabs with LED indicators, push to start. And then up top, we got access to really nice feature for summer months, and then some more lights, and then of course your VHF radio. It's got the Ritchie compass on top, and then just a little added feature that Sea Hunt did for throwing your phone up there if you'd like. But it also has designated spot for your phone. The elastic band keeps it in place, and it sits in that drawer. Keep that covered up. Got your 12-volt receptacle, USB and auxiliary, but obviously the JL audio has Bluetooth capabilities. Sea deck in all the right places. Really nice bolster seats at the helm with armrests. You can adjust them individually however you like. Throughout the boat there are rod holders, cup holders, and there are also the 2-in-1s. There are 4 of them. 2 on the transom, and then 2 up at the bow. Don't have the cushion snap down for easy access through the video because I'm doing everything one-handed. Great access to your bilge here. Got your fuel filters, lots of rigging, pumps, everything like that. But if your little cooler is full, or you've got people sitting there, you've got a slightly smaller access down here. Access your pumps and some of your plumbing if need be. Probably second favorite part about this boat, since I'm a diver, is this beautiful dive door. And just an added feature, when you flip it in, you've got the beautiful Sea Hunt logo with that really nice seafoam green gel coat. So this is where that other ladder goes. Easy access on and off the boat. Obviously a lot closer to the water line there. So if you didn't want to get the ladder out every time, it's a lot easier to just jump in and out. Beautiful hard top with spreader lights, speakers, horn, VHF antenna. This boat does come with a custom bow shade. It's got carbon fiber poles that fix into those two holes right there, port and starboard, and it covers your bow seating area. Connects to the hardtop as well, so it's not in anybody's way. And of course, a boat this side needs a windlass. So it's got the windlass up here with controls at the bow and the helm, whether you're by yourself or with someone. Another great thing about this up here, drop it down so you can see, little contour for your knees. What a great idea. Keep everybody nice and comfortable when you're cruising. You've also got this powder coated grip right here next to your cup holder, rod holder. Like I said, insulated storage. Huge. For stuffing fish or life vests, however you'd like to do it. I'll have some of the different seating configurations in the pictures, so feel free to flip through those, ask me any questions you have, as I'd love to help you with this boat. It truly is beautiful. I'm trying to highlight just how clean it is. You can see the shine in the gel coat, both inside and out. Try and make it as easy as possible for you not to scratch anything. So they've got the snap in and out fender clips, so you don't have to take any real estate away from the pop-up cleats that you have, and you don't have to ever adjust the line length. You've got a built-in pull-out swim ladder here on the transom. Easy access, and then it stows away completely. Like I said, not bottom painted. This boat does not come with a trailer, but if you require one, I can help you find one here locally. I can assist with transport all over the country. But if you're local to the southeastern North Carolina, Wilmington area, the slip will be available as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can shoot me an email at pat.wilkins@marinemax.com, or you can call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2021 Sea Hunt 275 Ultra SE. Beautiful condition. Ready for the sandbar, ready to catch some fish offshore. Ready to do it all in style. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.